Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity context switching in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and go to automatic switching and then tap the context. Then in the context, if you want to change it to word processing, just tap the word processing until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it also to narrative, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. You can now enable or activate the context that you want by putting a check mark on the side, just like this. And if you want to remove, just tap it again, the check mark, to remove. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity context switching in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!